In this video, I'll show you 4 easy ways to reorder your blog posts in WordPress. Okay, so the first method that you can use is simply to change the post publish date. To do that, we'll go into our posts area and go to all posts and say the one that's all the way down on the last page. I want that one to be my first one. So what we can do is go to this one, which is the oldest one. We can go in and edit the publish date. So I'll click on edit and I'll click on the publish date here. And I want to bring this into this decade. So I'm going to change this date and I actually want to publish it most recently. Today happens to be the 17th. So we'll do that and we'll click update. And now edge case nested and mixed lists will be top of it. So if I open up my site into a new window, scroll down, you see that this is it. Now you see this one is still up here. Why is that? Well, that's the other thing that you can do is you can simply go in and choose to make it sticky, and that will make it stick to the top of the blog. So we can do that as well. So for all the ones that you want to keep at the front of your website or on the front of your blog roll, you can do that. So I'm going to update that. And then when I go through, you see this is sticky up at the top and it's showing as featured. That's simply theme specific. Yours may or may not show that. And you see this one is as well. So those are the top 2 ones. And then the others will go through in their typical chronological or reverse chronological order. Now, if you have multiple ones that you kind of want to rearrange in a certain way, there's another way that you can do this, and that's by installing a plugin. So we'll go to the plugins, add new. And for this one, we're looking for post types order. This is the one we want. So let's install that and we'll go ahead and activate it as well. Once it's activated, we can go under settings and you see a new tab called post types order. We can click on that. And what we can do is configure it so it'll work for us. So here we want to decide which one we want to do the whole show hide reorder interface. We really only want to show this on posts. So I'm going to hide it for the media and the blocks. And then we're just going to allow it for administrators only. We don't want other people doing that. And then everything else looks good. So let's save settings. Now, once we save the settings, we can go into our posts area and we can simply decide how we want these to show. To move them around, you simply want to left click and drag them up or down however you want them to show. And now the fourth method of doing this is by adding some code. So if you're comfortable with doing that, you'll want to go into your appearance area, theme editor, and you'll want to find your functions.php. You want to scroll all the way down, and then you just want to add this bit of code. So I've copied it from WP Beginner's article, which we'll have in the description below so you can get it as well. And you're simply adding this new function to your site. And what this does is it will order by date, order in descending, and you can change this as you need to. But then that will change up how your posts are ordered. So if you're comfortable with code, you can do that. Otherwise, I would recommend using one of the other 3 options to do it. And that's a quick and easy way to reorder blog posts in WordPress. And thanks for watching.